What's up? Jambo Kenya, Jambo wa Kenya. Riz Kafaiko, the poet, the voice of ghetto, representing here in Nakuru, Ruku na Nakurusha. Hizo jina zote on 23rd of November. I know and you know where to find me and where to get entertained. Place utapata entertainment yote unataka. Great MCs watakuwa hapo, great talents and also young talents. It is Fourth City Young and Fearless Talent Show which will be held on Red Cross grounds Nakuru next to Mama Ngina Primary School on 23rd of November. Entrance ni 300, couples ni 500 shillings and a group of 5 people is 1250. I don't know. The details are on the poster. The poster right here. This here is the poster here. Yeah, the poster is right here. It will be posted here. Yeah, 23rd, you know where to find me. You know where to find Kafaiko the poet, the voice of ghetto, and Itajipa, inshallah. Tupatane Fourth City, lazima tujinice, tujirumbu, tujibambe. Kama unataka kujibamba na couple wako, come Fourth City on that day. All are welcomed.